Okay. So after that, we can see Java. So Java also is depending on the compiler. So Java C stands for the Java compiler based. So whereas Python is not the compiler based. Sir. Yes, Python is not compiler based. Sir, Python is what the interpreted, sir. Interpreted, which means code will be executed one line after that another line. It is not taking that much time. So the Python interpreter is very fine. We don't have any issues with the interpreter. Okay, next one. Sir, C programming language is the procedural oriented language, whereas Java programming language is the object oriented. What about the Python? Okay. See here it is what the procedures are procedural. Whereas Java is what object orientation. Object to orientation. What about the Python? Okay. Sir, Python comes under both concepts, sir. Python, we can call it as object oriented as well procedural language also we don't have any issues. Okay, now sir, who is the author name? Okay, so the most of the people will know the C author name. I can show you some images. Just remember your entire life, just images. Okay, so at the very first, Dennis Ritchie, just see his photo, that's it. Okay, so who created the like C programming language and everything? You see Dennis Ritchie, just you can see his photo. Okay, so after that, most famous person here it is there, sir, James Gosling, sir. James Gosling. Okay, sir, who created the Java programming language? Who created the Java programming language? James Gosling. He visited our Hyderabad. He also 2 times he visited our Hyderabad. He has given 2 lectures. He has given on the Java. So he is having a beautiful daughter. Here it is there. She does the Java program very nice. Okay. Now, sir, who created the Python? Okay. Sir, Python is created by the most famous person. The person name here it is Sir Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. So which is looking like the professor in the Money Heist. Okay. So generally in the Netflix we will watch something web series, right? There is a Money Host web series is there. So in that professor here it is there. Maybe exactly he is looking like the professor. Okay. So Guido van Rossum. One doubt, sir, he is looking something handsome, maybe. He's looking like something good. So this guy, how exactly he is using the Python keyword? Okay. If you see something Python really looks very bombastic now, we can see. Okay. So Python, if you see here, sometimes we may scared also now we can see. Okay. So why exactly he has picked the name Python? Like any story here, it is a Python story. Yes, we have a beautiful story here. It is there. So who is the Python author? We can call it as the Python author. Author name Guido van Rossum. 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 Guido van Rossum. Okay. So this person, he used to watch a British serial. Okay. Marty Python Flying Circus. Marty Python Flying Circus. It's not Monty. Yes, Monty Python Flying Circus. Now we can say it is like Jabardast comedy show will be there. Right? It is like a comedy show among these 5 people or 6 people. So daily he used to watch. It's like a comedy serial. You can call it as what Monty Python Flying Circus. From the name, now we can see you can find sir Python keyword is there. Now Python Python. That keyword he are using is not taking the Python logo actually. Okay. Monty Python Flying Circus. He used to watch comedy serial like Monty Python's flying circus. Okay. So from that name, he has picked what the Python he has picked. That's it. There is no other story and everything. Okay. So it's all about the Python and everything. That's it. Okay. So we don't require any other story. But regarding the Gudio Van Rossum story, this name here it is there. Na Gudio Van Rossum, his name for the English people, US people, his name is very hard to pronounce sometimes. Okay. So Gudio Van Rossum, they are calling something very ugly also. So that is the reason Gudio Van Rossum, he created his own personal website. I can show you. Gudio Van Rossum personal website. Personal website. I can show you. Yes. Sir, you can see how much very simplicity is there. You see, personal homepage. Really, how much very simplicity here it is there, you see. He's having something own license plate also is there, you see, Virginia's Python. So now we can see. So his name is some difficulties for the Americans. Okay. So he has created a sound clip also. Now we can see some audio file is downloaded, you see. So please listen, Americans. His name is this one. And after that, you can pronounce is like telling. Okay. So that's it. The website also I'm sharing here. Personal website. Personal website. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Python, just information. Now. Okay. So very next question. Sir, Python, let's see. Suppose if you see the C programming language, okay. Sir, C programming language starts with the main method, sir. It starts with the main method, okay. So you can write the printf statement, you can write anything, you can make it. Now we can say automatically you will get the output. Sir, whereas Java program also, it starts with the main method, sir. Okay. If you see the Java method like public class test I have written here. So public static void main string args. Okay. Sir, here also you can see the Python Java program is also starting with the main method. My question here it is what Python program in Python main method is there or not? Can you guess? Can anyone guess in Python main method is available or not? Anyone? Vinay, maybe Vishnuvardhan, Uma, Afzam, Nitin, 516, 528. Just guess. I'm just asking a simple guess. In Python, main method is available or not? Yes. Perfect. Okay. Yes, in Python, main method is there. Yes, really it is there. So I can show you here how the main method is available. Now we can see. Sir, if underscore underscore name equal to underscore underscore main will be there. Now this is a main method actually. Okay. Yes, the answer is what? Yes, it's there. Yes, it's there. Okay. I can teach you this main method. We don't specially write the main method. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay. So who are learning the Python programming language, they are not writing the main method actually. Who are learning the code. Okay. The developers will be available, right? Who are working in the company, they have to write the main method, sir. Who are working in a company, they have to write the main method. Okay. So this one we can call it as a main method. So is it clear to you? I can explain this at the part of the main methods concept.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we can see, yes, it's there. I can discuss at the part of the methods one, main method. Now, sir, used for main code, sir. No. I can tell you. I can tell you why exactly we can use this main method. If you write some piece of code, you will get one idea. Okay. Next. 1 minute. Okay. Now we can see. Sir, how you can a Python file, sir? Okay. 1 minute. What happened? Why it is not zooming in? 1 minute. So tools, somewhere settings is available. I can show you. File, settings. Okay. Sir, here, somewhere 1 minute. Zoom. Let's see the font. Font. Appearances, editors, general. Yes. Okay. So now we can see change the font size with the control button and mouse wheel insert. That's it. Just you can select this. Okay. Sir, in the setting, you can type the font in the general, you can select this. Okay. Just click OK. Now we can see why it is not changing. Okay, no problem. Sir, now we can say you can select the project, sir, first. Okay, so this is what the external library is. You no need to worry about all the things. Even you don't need to open this one. Some people they will do here. They will practice here, sir. They will create a new Python file, or they will create the Python file here. Still, you will get the output, but it's a not good practice. Okay, sir, main.python file here it is there, or you can select the project. Right click here. Right click here. So new, sir, what you have to select, sir? Python file you can select, Python file. Sir, what is my Python file, sir? Test.py you can type, otherwise you can click the Python file. That's it. Okay. So test.py, sir. That's very fine. Now, sir, here I am writing a printf statement. Good morning. Good morning. After that, here I am writing another printf statement. Sorry. Another print statement. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. The last statement I am writing, sir, I am writing a print statement. Good evening. So let's get the answer. How the answer you will get? Let's get the answer. How you will get the answer? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But you are getting the answer in a single line you are getting, or line by line you are getting? You are getting the answer in a single line you are getting, or line by line you are getting? Okay, line by line. Let's see. So right click here. Okay, run here. Otherwise, there is a concept is available, sir, here. If you click this plus symbol, you will get the answer, but now we can see high PyCharm you are getting. Sir, now we can see most of the people, why they are confusing, sir. You are clicking this button, but what file you are running, sir? Main file you are running. You can select the current file you have to select and run here. So now we can see what is the answer, sir. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes. Sir, here I can show you very beautiful interview question. Okay. Sir, the same program output, same program in the C programming language, how you will get the answer, sir? Printf. In the C programming language, how you will get the answer? Sir, the answer, how I will get, sir? Now we can see I am getting a answer in a single line I am getting, sir. Single line I am getting the answer in C programming language. But whereas in Python programming language, why I am getting the answer in a line by line I am getting. Even I am not specifying /n. If you specify the /n, then only the answer you will get in the very next line. But why here I am getting the automatically in the very next line? No problem. Okay. Sir, here, how the Python printf statement is created actually. We can see it. Okay. So now we can see just mouse over the printf and you can click the control button, sir. Just click the control button. Okay. Just click this print. Now we can see how Python statement is created, sir. Built-ins.python file. Now we can see. Again, I am showing you, see. Control button, you can click. Don't release the control button. Control button, you can select on the keyboard. And your cursor will be there. Na cursor just over the print statement. Just click here. Sir, built-ins.python file. Sir, how the printf statement is created? Sir, in the each and every statement line, they are ending with the slash n, sir, which means it is default is there. So that is the reason the answer we are getting the line by line we are getting. You see why the answer we are getting in the line by line? Because printf statement is created by default end location. You can see this end location. What is there, sir? Slash n. They have specifying. Okay, sir, can you delete this? Yes, if you delete this, maybe it is disturb the entire Python, maybe. Okay, so that is the reason don't disturb this concept, sir. But we can achieve, just copy this. Just copy this. You can come here and you can paste and you can paste and you can paste. If you're not expecting line by line, let's remove this. Remove this. Remove this. The answer you can see in the entire statement in a single line. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sir, suppose if you are expecting comma also, we can keep the commas. Now we can see good morning, comma, good afternoon, comma, good evening. Suppose if you are expecting any arrow marks, no problem. Happily, we can provide the arrow marks also. Now we can see. So good morning, arrow mark. Good afternoon, arrow mark. Good evening. That's it. Okay. So the concept is very clear, right? How I am writing the end statement. Whatever the developer is designed, the same code I am copying, I am utilizing here. The concept is very clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we can use commas, we can use comma. So most of the time the comma is preferable. Okay. That's it. This is all about print statement. Print statement. Now, so let's discuss about the variables topic, sir. Okay, variables. It's a very simple. Variable. Sir, which means vary, which means which always changes, sir, which always changes. Which always changes. What it will change, sir? Able, sir, able, which means having that capacity. Having that capacity, which means changing capacity is there. That is the reason we are calling that one. We can call it as a constant. See, variable. Vary, which always changes. What it will changes? Having the capability is there. Which one? Suppose amount is there, sir. Amount equal to 5,000 rupees is available in my bank. Let us do. Sir, always the amount will be the same? No, changes. Having the capacity is there. Okay. Suppose if you are a very dumb person also, if you are not spending any silly rupee also, no problem. Every year, maybe some SMS charges, they will be reduced with the 25 rupees. Okay. So otherwise, they will add some interest also with that 25 rupees, maybe 250 rupees. 100% is the value will change, sir. So that is the reason we are calling that thing, we can call it as a variable. Okay. Now, sir, what about the data type? Whether it is a integer, float, you no need to define the data type, sir. Yes. While you are declaring a variable, you no need to specify. You no need to specify what data type it is. What data type it is. Okay. Suppose if it is an integer, now we can say I'm writing a very good code. I'm writing, sir, integer amount equal to, let's say, 2,000 rupees. Flow to bank underscore interest rate, INTEREST, interest rate equal to, let's say, 3.5. Sir, now I am getting the error. Even you can use a semicolon now, we can see. Now I am getting the error. Sir, you no need to specify the what data type here it is there. Sir, suppose if you don't specify the data type, how the Python will understand? See, Python, we can call it as a dynamic programming language. This line is very important. Python programming is a dynamic, sir. Dynamic programming language. Dynamic programming language. How you can say it is the dynamic programming language, not static programming language? Because it automatically understand what you have assigned, sir. Yes, it automatically understands. It automatically understand what you have assigned. You don't need to depend on any other person. Okay, so that is the reason Python programming language, we can call it as a dynamic. Now we can see. So how I am writing, you see, sir, amount equal to 25,000. Sir, bank underscore interest underscore rate equal to 5.6. Sir, let's say name equal to Kiran, sir. Kiran. Sir, data equal to false, sir. Yes, false. I have to write the capital letter first, false. Okay. So now we can see it's, you no need to depend, automatically Python will understand. I can show you. Sir, how I am writing, sir? I am writing a printf statement. How many times a printf statement is required? 4 times printf statement is required. At the very first time amount to, sorry. The very first time amount to, after that bank interest rate. Sorry. After that bank interest rate. After that name. After that data. That's it. Now we can see how nice here it is there, you see. You can see this. 25,000 perfect, 5.6 perfect, Kiran is the perfect, false is the perfect. Now we can see, sir, how exactly you have defined here. The same output you are able to see. But one doubt, one small doubt, how Python is understanding whether it is a variable or whether it is a integer or whether it is a float. Really Python is understanding or not, I am getting the doubt, sir. No problem. Okay, suppose in the entire Python programming language, we have a beautiful solution is there. How the Python will understand whether it is the object, whether it is the inheritance, whether it is a polymorphism feature, anything, whether it is a student object, whether it is a teacher object, how Python will understand. Simple, sir. Let me print. If you are getting the any doubt, print type of which type of that amount, run this here. Now we can see, sir, amount is a integer type, sir. Int integer type. You can see int integer type. Suppose if you are getting the any doubt on like the bank interest rate, let to print type of bank interest rate. Now we can see. Okay, sir, in the same way, let's me print type of, sorry, type of name, the last statement. So let me print type of data. Now we can see. You can see this very clearly. 25,000 is the integer, 5.6 is the floating value, Kiran is the string, false is the Boolean value. Sir, what is this class, sir? Now we can see in the entire Python, everything we can call it as a class. That's it. Now we can see. Okay. So now here I will ask a very simple question. I will ask you. Python variables. Very simple question means very simple question, sir. Very simple question. Sir, I am writing a very big program. I am writing, sir. Very lengthy program. Okay. So maybe I have to write 50,000 of lines. I have to write. Maybe. Okay. Sir, here what I am writing, sir. Name equal to 45,000. You can see this very clearly. Name equal to 45,000. Sir, I am in the maybe 50,000 line. Sir, I am printing, sir, name I am printing. Sir, here in the 50,000 line, I just wanted to verify name, whether it is a Boolean value, whether it is a integer value, whether it is a string value. I just want some confirmation, sir. How I will get the confirmation? Yes. So Musharraf Azam, very fine. Sir, now we can see if you are getting any doubt, let's print, sir. Type of what is that type? Let's print the name. So now we can see what is the answer you will get, sir. The answer is very clear, sir. Integer, yes. Because name is what the string, but I have given what integer value I have stored, sir. 45,000. So now we can see in this way also we can represent. That's very fine. Musharraf Azam, I think Musharraf Azam here it is there. But how seniors will know it? See, seniors, they are not working with they see, if you are working in a company, if you are having the 4 years of experience or 5 years of experience, if you want to do any concept, if you print something type of name, the junior fellows, maybe some other seniors also will laugh at you. So this is the most important way you can get the thing. Type of what is that type here I have declared. Here you will get the information integer. But how senior people will know it? So they are not typing this one, sir. They are not using this concept. How the senior people will work on that? Very simple and most beautiful, you can see. Okay. So now we can see just your cursor will be there, right? Cursor just over the name, sir. Just over the name. That's it. Sir, are you able to identify anything? Sir, name integer 45,000. You can see this name integer 45,000. Are you able to see this box?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Confirmation is there, name, which is the integer. Now we can see, suppose if I am writing name equal to Yadav, sir. Yadav Reddy, I have written. Now we can see what is this concept. Just a mouse over, sir. Now we can see name, the string, the name also you can get here, Yadav Reddy. Sir, in this way, which people will work, sir? Seniors people will work. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear. One minute. I am writing small stuff. Just mouse over. That's it. String. It's to proof I'm storing here for a small proof. 44 batch. Type. Okay. Now. So now I'm going to teach some topics now. Okay. So whatever I am teaching, the topics is very, 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 very important, not only for the Python, sir. Okay. Sir, suppose who just wanted to start a career in the data science. Data science is really nowadays very big boom here it is there. Okay. So data science means don't think about the only software job. Sir, in the marketing field also data science is there. In the doctor field also data science is there. See, the software job only, but they have to perform the task on the different types of fields. Okay. So data science, data analytics also. Okay. Sir, who are working with the data science, data analytics, who are working with the machine learning concepts, not only with the Python, also Python. Okay. For all the people, we have some common topics is there. It's a very common topics is there. Okay. We are working with the data first. Okay. The first common things are strings, sir. Strings. Strings, really important. Okay. So after that, we are working with some collections. Okay. We are not working with the arrays topic. So we are having list topic here. It is it. After that, set topic here. It is it. And after that, tuple topic here. It is it. And after that, dictionary topic here. It is there. Sir, again in my mind, small doubt is there. Very small doubt. Sir, as you said very initially, Python is the very easiest programming language. Very easiest means very easiest. But again, you are telling these topics, like multiple topics here it is there. You say list, set, tuple, dictionary. What are all these things? Is it necessary to learn all the things? Maybe you are getting a doubt. Okay, so these things is what the really very easy means. Really very easy, sir. Very easy. Okay, so why we have to learn these features means each and every topic is having the unique features is there. Okay, so list is supporting some features, whereas set is not supporting, whereas tuple is not supporting, whereas dictionary is like the greatest one. Okay, so these topics how exactly we can use in the real time also I can teach. Okay, I can show you also. So these topics are at the very first, I'm starting with the string topic. Today I will finish the string topic completely. So tomorrow we can see the list clearly. Okay. Few data topics. Now, so let's work on with the strings topic. I'm writing a name, sir. Name, MANAC Infotech. MANAC Infotech. Okay, first one. So let's print name. So what is the answer you will get? Perfectly name MANAC Infotech. Sir, I'm getting the doubt whether it is a string or boolean. No problem. If you are getting the any doubt, let's print a type of name. That's it. The matter is very clear. String. Classy here you can see, sir. Class here it is what the strings are. That's it. Okay. So just copy this. I'm making a separate notes for the string here. String. Next one. Sir, string is supporting indexing or not? Now we can see. String is supporting indexing or not. What is indexing? What is not indexing? Okay. So indexing means I can tell you what is indexing. Let's copy this. Let's publish. So here I'm creating a very simple box. In that box, I just pasting some values. (26), 36. Okay, maybe fine. So MANAC. Okay, perfect. Okay. So now we can see this entire box, how I am dividing. I'm dividing into some parts here. First part, second part, I'm just dividing. Okay. So this concept to most of the freshers will know, no problem. But here we are having some small interview questions. I can cover those interview questions who are writing with the certification exam. Okay. Sir, in the indexing, we are having the positive indexing is available. Positive indexing is available. At the same time, negative indexing is also available. Now we can see two topics here. It is there, positive indexing as well negative indexing. Sir, positive indexing means suppose if you wanted to access the first digit, 0, sir, 0. The second digit, 1. Third digit, 2. Fourth digit, 3. Fifth digit, 4. Sir, fifth digit 4 because it starts with the 0, sir. Starting with the 0, that is the reason the values is like becoming down. If you wanted to access the sixth digit, you have to type the 5. If you wanted to access the seventh digit, 1 minute. Seventh digit, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, sir, what is my goal? I just wanted to print a capital I. I just wanted to print only capital I, sir. Simple. Simple. Sir, name of 5. Let's run this. So now we can see I'm not getting anything. No problem. Let me remove the space here. The space is calculated here. Here there is no space. Now we can see what you will get, sir. Capital I, you can see. Capital I. Sir, if you wanted to access the first digit. First digit, what is the rule? If you wanted to access the first digit, what is the rule?
0, sir.
0. Very nice. If you wanted to access the last digit. Last
12,
digit.
sir.
Last digit.
12, sir.
1,
12, 12.
12. 1 minute. 12. So let's run this. Now we can see last digit, MANAC Infotech. Yes, perfect. Okay. So yes, -1, Vijay Chaudhary, you are great. Okay. So now we can see positive indexing is perfectly is working. We don't have any issues. Okay. Sir, positive indexing is working here. Positive indexing. Sir, whereas negative indexing is also there. What is the negative indexing means? Starts with the reverse, sir. Start with the reverse. So now we can see here the value starts with the -1, sir. Whatever the value you have gone, right? The ending part too, you have to write the -1 and you have to calculate here. Okay. So that is the reason least I am writing. Now we can see here -13, -12, -11, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. Now tell me, I want to print the last digit. What is the shortcut for that? I wanted to print the last digit. I wanted to print the last digit. Nitin, yes, you can tell. Yes, -1, perfect. Now we can see. So wherever the data here it is, their ending location will be there. Now ending location, you no need to follow with the positive value, sir. Okay. So why you no need to follow the positive value? Now we can see here, I can show you. So now we can see H. See, MANAC Infotech, here it is there. So what is the last digit, sir? 12 here it is there. Okay, no problem. Now we can see, let's run this. What is the answer you are getting? Capital H, small h. Now we can see perfect, it is working. It is perfectly is working. So at the same time, I can go with the negative indexing is also name of -1. No problem. Okay. So -1, no problem. Okay. So now we can see run this. So the same answer is presented or any disturbance is there? Same answer is presented, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, MANAC Infotech solutions, sir. Now tell me what is the last digit? Solutions, S is the last digit, but here you can see the value is something ended with the H only. If you go with the positive indexing, the value here it is the H only. But if you go with the negative indexing is following the S, you can see. Yes. Suppose what happened if you remove some text also. No problem. Still the -1 will work with the last indexing. Now we can see -1 will work with the last indexing very clearly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. So negative indexing also, let me print name of, I can show you some digits. I wanted to print capital I. I wanted to print small o, not small o. I wanted to print capital T. Okay. So positive indexing 5. 5. After that negative indexing -8. -8. After that I wanted to print the T, capital 9. Positive 9. Negative indexing -4. That's it. Now we can see. Okay. So first now we can see capital I, here you got the output. Next one now we can see capital T is the output. The last one is what? The H. So perfectly got the answer. Okay. So this particular part is a positive indexing. The last part is what? The negative index. Okay. Sir, in the certification exam, what question you will get, sir, actually? Okay. So the question will be the different question, sir. We are not getting this question. Okay. So now question what exactly you will get in the indexing part. Only in the indexing part, what question will arise? The positive indexing direction, negative indexing direction you will get question. Okay. So positive indexing direction, now we can see starts with the right side, sir. Starts with the right side, positive indexing. Okay. Starts with the right side. Where it is going, sir? It is going to left side. It is going, you see, it is going to left side. It is going. So R2 capital L. Negative indexing directions are, now we can see left side it is started to right side it is going. Left it is started, where it is going, sir? It is going to the right side it is going. Left it is started. See, right, sorry, I have written wrong. Left it is started. Left to side it is started to right side it is going. Left here it is started, where it is going, sir? Right side it is going. So where here it is started, right side here it is started, right side here it is started to left side it is going. Okay. So don't confuse here. The questions you will get in the certification exam, directions for positive. Positive. Okay. So positive direction L to R. L to R. Negative direction, negative index R to L. That's it. Two keywords you have to remember. Okay. The last one. Now, sir, strings is supporting slicing or not? Slicing. Yes, slicing, yes. Sir, what is slicing, sir? Slicing means tukda, tukda, tukda. Okay. Suppose any leg piece is there. So generally in the chicken shop, maybe in the mutton shop, they are making into some pieces, right? That we can call it as what? The slicing, divided into some pieces. Okay. So slicing is supported. Yes, slicing is supported. So the slicing topic, how I can teach you now. 1 minute. Sir, here I just wanted to print only MANAC, sir. I just wanted to print only MANAC. Only MANAC. There is a rule here, it is there. Okay. So the rule, name of, sir, starting indexing. Start indexing. Okay. Start underscore index also you can write. Start underscore index. Okay. Sir, what is the starting indexing? Starting indexing. 0.
0, sir.
No problem. So what I am writing, sir? Starting indexing. How I am writing? Now we can see. Let's see. Starting indexing 0. 2, sir. 2. Column means 2. So where I have to write? 0 to 0 to where I have to write?
4.
4. Okay. Suppose if you write the 4, what will be happen? You see, if you write the 4, what will be happen? If you write the 4, sir, you will be printed only MANA. Yes. The answer you will get, sir, only MANA. Because starting indexing, it starts with the 0. You no need of counting that. Okay. So here one value is missing, right? That value here you have to add +1, sir. +1 here you have to add. 4 + 1, 5. Okay. So otherwise you can write here, sir, starting indexing colon, end index, sir, end underscore index +1, sir, +1. This is actually business rule. Starting indexing colon, ending indexing +1, but most people are, they are not interested to write the +1. So directly how they are writing, sir, now we can see, even now we can see, we can use the +1, we can use, we are getting the perfect answer, MANAC we are getting. But nowadays, the people are not interested to write the +1 concept. Directly they are writing the 5 they are writing, sir. Clear. Sir, are you able to see the MANAC very clearly? MANAC MANAC.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so let's comment this. Sir, total how many digits is available? Only 12 digits is available. Sir, suppose if can I access name of 25 digit, can I get the answer? 25 digit, is it there? 25 indexing is there or not?
No, sir.
It's not there. So 100% I will get the answers are index out of range. String index out of range. Okay. So this is just for information I told. I can discuss this. I can discuss this index error. Okay. So now, sir, I wanted to print only info. Can you guide? I wanted to print only info. I wanted to print only info.
5 to 9.
Yes, 5 to 9, very perfect answer. +1 you can add here, +1, 5 to 9. Okay. So you can see this. Let's uncomment. Okay. Sir, I am printing 5 to 9. 5 to 9. That's it. You can see info. Sir, I wanted to print a text, sir. Only text. TECH text.
9 to 12 plus 1.
Yes, 9 to 12
13.
plus 1. 13. Perfect answer. Okay. Sir, how I am writing? Starts with the 9 to 13. So perfect answer. It's really perfect tick. Okay. But in the interview, some part they can confuse you. How they can confuse you, sir? 9 to I just wanted to access to 25, sir. What is the answer I will get? 9 to 25.
Out of range, sir.
Yes, string out of range because here we are only having the 13 digits. Sir, where is the 25 digit? It's not there. Sir, most of the people, how they are feeling string index out of range, they will get, but here we are getting, sir, perfect answer. We are getting TECH tech we are getting. Sir, why we are getting the tech we are getting, sir? Because it started with the 9. Okay, perfect. After 9, 10 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there. Sir, it is counting those values only, and after that indexing, it will not be counted. Okay, so clear for this one, we don't have any wrong answer. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, sir, negative indexing is also working, sir. Okay, sir, I wanted to print only info. Can you tell me negative indexing, how I can write the negative indexing?
-5 to -9.
-8 to -4. Let me try here. So I wanted to print name of -8 to -4. Let's see. Yes, the same here it is there, info. So now we can see. So how we can calculate, sir? You have to calculate -8. Here it is started. You have to print like this info. Okay. So the whatever the last digit here it is there, you have to add +1. Okay. Sir, if you add the +1, automatically -4 you will get. So clear, the answer is working fine. Okay. Sir, positive indexing is perfectly working. Negative indexing is also perfectly working. Now, it's a very simple question. Now tell me how many people will answer here. Sir, here I am not telling the way the starting indexing. I am not telling the way the ending indexing. What is the answer I will get? Starting indexing, I am not specifying. Ending indexing is also, I am not specifying what is the answer we will get. Suppose if you are not specifying the starting indexing, okay, sir, it's automatically starts with the 0, sir. If you are not specifying the ending indexing, automatically whatever the last digit it is there, automatically it will calculate and it will tell. Now tell me what is the answer for that? Yes, Satvika, very nice. Whole string will be generated. Yes, MANAC Infotech. Okay, if you're not specifying the starting indexing, it's automatically starts with the 0. If you're not specifying the ending indexing is also, it automatically starts with the finishing. Now here I'm writing the 5 star. Now can you tell me what is the answer for this? Starting indexing I'm not specifying. I am
MANAC.
on. Yes, perfect. Sir, starting indexing I'm not specifying. It's automatically starts with the 0. Now we can see MANAC. Now tell me, sir, here starting indexing I'm not performing. I'm performing with the 0. Sir, ending indexing I'm not giving, sir. Can you tell me? Ending indexing I'm not providing.
Whole string, sir.
Yes, whole string will be printed. Perfect answer, MANAC Infotech. Even you can specify the something 6 also. Now we can see. Sir, Infotech. Sorry, if you specify the 5 also, now we can say, you can see, sir, Infotech. So if you know, you don't need to specify the starting indexing, you don't need to specify the ending indexing also. Okay, so that's it. Okay. The last feature, the last one, I will finish here. We are having the 3 minutes. In the 3 minutes, it will be completed. Sir, slicing with interval, sir. Slicing with interval. Interval. Sir, interval means, sir, steps, sir. Interval means what? Steps. Sir, each and every concept, how it is working, sir, plus one concept is working. Plus one, step one, step one, step one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are working with the step concept. Okay. So now we can see starting indexing 0, ending indexing 13, colon 1. Okay. Now we can see starting indexing I am not specifying, ending indexing I am not specifying, step also I am not specifying. Okay, the next one. Starting indexing I am specifying, ending index I am not specifying, step is 1. Starting indexing I am not specifying, ending indexing is the 30. Okay, sir, for all the things, the simplest answer here it is what? Say MANAC Infotech, MANAC Infotech, MANAC, sorry. The starting indexing is 0. MANAC Infotech, MANAC Infotech, MANAC Infotech, MANAC Infotech. Indexing 1 digit. 0 plus 1. 0, 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1. If you're not specifying in the interval also, it's automatically calculate the 1. Okay. So this concept is very clear. Interval concept. Hello. Interval concept is very clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can teach you. Now we can see. So now could you anyone guess what is the answer for the 2, sir? 2. Could anyone guess? Just guess. First digit will be printed. After that, next digit will print, or after that, second digit it will print. Now we can see 3 digit it will print. Now we can see first letter. Now we can see the answer very clearly. Sir, first 0. So 0, now we can see M. M here it is printed, sir. After that, it is calculating the next second digit, sir. I'm not incrementing with the 1. I'm incrementing with the 2. Sir, what is the second digit here? A and N. Sir, N is the answer here, you can see. Clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
After that second digit. So it's A is the first one. After that second digit, C. C is the printed. After that second digit, N. After that second digit, O. After that second digit, E. After that second digit, H. Suppose if you write the 3, now we can see. First, M. After that third digit, A-N-A. A here you can see. After that again third digit, 1, 2, 3, N you can see. After that again third digit, F-O-T. Now we can say you can T. After that last third digit, E-T-H. Okay. So the concept is very clear, right? Interval concept.
Yes, sir.
Now, string reverse. String, S-T-R-I-N-G, string reverse, sir. Sir, in the entire world, you can take the multiple programming languages. Sir, any string, if you wanted to printing in the reverse, now we can see we are having a method. Sir, string reverse method is there. STRREV method is there. Sir, without using the method, can you make the string entire reverse concept? We can make it by writing the code. Yes. Yes, we are having the world simplest answer, sir. Entire world simplest answer. Without using the function, without using the method. You can see. Starting indexing, I'm not specifying. Ending indexing, I'm not specifying. Sir, how I am writing? Sir, I am writing with the -1, sir. -1. -1. You can see, sir, string reverse you will get, sir. You can see M, you can see in the last location. Now we can see string reverse only, right? Are you able to see this reverse only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. String reverse. Sir, anything you can make in the reverse formats are simple, sir. Last we can use what? -1. The concept will be reverse you will get. That's it. Okay. So is it fine for the today? So we have seen some completely string topic. Complete information about strings. Clear? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, in the very next class, whatever we have learned, right, this will not be useful in the real-time job, sir. If you with this mindset, if you start the company in the any company, if you start the coding, 100% is you have to learn something more. Sir, what exactly how the deliver will be there, how the trainers will deliver, sir. This concept only the trainers will deliver to you. In the real time, there is a scenario is there. That scenario tomorrow in the very next class, I present to you. That task, how many people will focus it? How much hard work you have to make it? Okay. So that we can discuss in the very next class. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Complete strings info. Excuse me, is it necessary to use the PyCharm? No. It is not necessary to use the PyCharm. 1 minute. Okay. Sir, suppose your system is not supporting Python also, your system is not supporting PyCharm also, just go with the Google, sir. Just go with the Google, just type Google Colab. Google Colab. Okay, so just open here. Here you have to log in with the Gmail account. That's it. Okay, sir, you can see in the bottom, you can see create a new notebook. New notebook you have to create. So just type here and just run this. That's it. So automatically you will get the output here. Very fast only you will get. You don't need to worry about that. First time it will take the time. Very next onwards, it will be very fast. Because it is connecting, it's connected. Even now we will get used. Okay. So even you can save this strings. Sir, entire, whatever today we have learned, right? Entire topic you can use in the entire single document. You can write the code. Okay. So you can write the other code. You can write the other code. Here you can write, here you can write, even you can specify the nodes also. So entire concept, you can say it will be stored in the like the documentation forever. It will be stored in the Google Drive. Okay. So otherwise we can use VS Code also. In the VS Code also, we can use the Python we can use. Okay. So some library, see, this is the Python code only. Now we can see models.python file, admin.python file. Okay. So here you have to install the Python. Some settings is available. You can get in the YouTube. Okay. So otherwise you can search for some packages, extensions. Just if you type the file name Python admin dot, if you type the any file .py, you can keep automatically suggestion you will get. Okay. So it will be workable. That's it. Clear? Okay. So is it fine for the today? Shall I close the session?